Welcome back to Schools Challenge 2020. It's the 31st match in round one, and the scores are Mount Alvernia High now on 25, Hampton School on 18. Mount Alvernia lost a point for the question, who wrote the Harry Potter series of books? And J.K. Rowling was not the first answer, so they lost 1 point. Now we get into our buzzer challenge. Teams must press the buzzer, wait to be identified before giving their answer. 2 points will be added for correct answers, but teams will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect. Teams, it's time to gear up with your quick fingers, quick thinking, and fast answers, which could put you one step closer to winning the championship. Let's have 4 minutes on the clock, please. The first question comes from Bible knowledge. Which woman described herself as a mother in Israel? Deborah. Biology. What is the name for the insertion of a gene into a plasmid of a bacterium? Gene splicing or transformation. English language. What does the prefix tele, as used in the word television, mean? Hampton.
Distance. Or across. Afar.
Yes, we'll accept. Local affairs. Look at the screen, identify this person. Hampton.
Evan Thompson.
Yes. Chemistry. A particular carbon isotope has an atomic number of 6 and an atomic mass of 14. What are the respective number of neutrons, protons, and electrons? Mount Alvernia.
So it is 8 neutrons, 6 protons, 6 electrons.
Correct. Good. Music. Listen to this clip. Identify the singer. Mount Alvernia.
Tony Braxton.
Correct. General knowledge. Toxicology is the scientific study of what? Mount Alvernia.
Poisons.
Correct. Good. Spanish. Translate to English the following sentence. ¿Quiénes son los miembros de tu familia? Mount Alvernia.
Who are the members of your family? Who are the members of your family?
Correct. Good. Geography. What theory considers the lithosphere as broken into plates that are in motion? Hampton.
Plate tectonics.
Correct. Theatre and cinema. Look at the screen. Identify this person. Hampton.
Priyanka Chopra.
Say the first name.
Priyanka.
Correct. Information technology. What is the name for an electronic device that makes possible the transmission of data to or from a computer via telephone or other? Hampton.
Modem.
Correct. History. What is the name of the revival of European art and literature under the influence, Mount Alvernia?
Renaissance.
Correct. Influence of classical models in the 14th to 16th centuries. Mathematics. A number of marbles is shared between Brett and Charlie in the ratio 4:7. Charlie got 35 marbles. How many marbles were shared altogether? Mount Alvernia.
55 marbles.
Correct. Physics. What is the name of the apparent motion of objects in front when the position of the eye changes? Parallax. Sports. Look at the monitor. Identify this person. Oscar de la Hoya. Jamaican heritage. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Bush have ears and wall. Have eyes. French. Translate the sentence to English. En es-tu sûr? Are you sure? Literature. Who is the author of the novel The Silver Sword? Mount Alvernia.
Ian Serla.
Correct. Art. What was the nationality of the post-impressionist artist Georges Seurat? French. Bible knowledge. In the dream of Pharaoh's baker, what was on his head as he walked? 3 white baskets. Biology. There are 3 primary, and that's the final bell. That's the end of the final challenge and the end of our match. And the scores at this time, Mount Alvernia High on 39, Hampton School on 28. We'll double check those scores and return with the final results right after these messages.